Hi guys, in this video I'm going to guide you on how to fix your Xbox Series S or Series X not connecting to Wi-Fi. So if you're having any Wi-Fi problem, like your Xbox not detecting your Wi-Fi network, or you're having the problem where it is able to dictate and find your Wi-Fi network and even connect to it, but you're still unable to do anything online, in this video I'll be taking you through 3 solutions to fix any of these problems. Now, the first and easiest one, which is actually something that is recommended officially by Xbox, is to simply unplug your Xbox from the power source. After unplugging from the power source, the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and long press on the power button or the Xbox logo on your console for about 10 to 15 seconds. So just press and hold this power button or Xbox logo, and after the 10 to 15 seconds you can go ahead and release the power button, then proceed to connect it back to the power source, and also go ahead and turn on your console with your controller. Give it a couple of seconds to fully restart, and now you can go ahead and try connecting to your Wi-Fi network again and see if that will fix the problem for you on your Xbox Series S or Xbox Series S. Another thing you want to try is to make sure that the time and date is actually correct. So what you want to do is to go back to the main settings. You want to navigate to the system settings from over here, select on that option, then scroll down to where we have time from over here, select on that, and then make sure that your time zone is actually correct. And aside from that, you also want to make sure that you adjust the time, and also your time zone actually corresponds with what we have under the language and location settings from over here. So my location is actually the United States, so you want to make sure you use a correct time zone with what you have chosen under the language and location settings as well. And as soon as you're done with adjusting your time zone, you can go back to the main menu, then go ahead and try to connect to your home Wi-Fi network again and see if that will fix the problem for you. If that does still not work out for you, from the network settings, you want to go over to manage wireless network settings and then scroll down to where we have the manage my networks over here. Now at this point, you want to go ahead and forget your connected Wi-Fi. So tap on the X button, which is actually forget from over here, then tap on forget. Also disconnect it from the bottom, so tap on A to disconnect, and then go ahead and select on disconnect from over here. And as soon as it is done, you can go back to the manage wireless network settings again, go over to set up wireless network, but this time instead of connecting to it, you want to go ahead and try connecting to a different Wi-Fi network, just to be sure that the problem is not from your Wi-Fi. In my case, I'll try connecting to this hotspot over here and see if it works. And if it actually connects to this Wi-Fi network, then you know that the problem is definitely from your previous Wi-Fi you've been trying to connect to. However, if it does not connect, then you want to go ahead and try my next solution. The final step you might want to try is to go back to the main network settings, and then you want to just go over to the advanced settings option at the bottom over here, then to DNS settings. Now you want to go down to manual, select on that option, and then you want to change your manual DNS to Google's official DNS, which is 8.8.8, just like so. Then you want to tap on the enter button from over here. Then for the secondary DNS, you want to just go ahead and enter 8.8.4.4. You can just tap on the enter button from over here and you're good to go. Now finally, you want to scroll down to where we have the alternate MAC address from over here, and then you want to tap on clear. Now this is going to require you to restart your Xbox Series S or Xbox Series X, and then finally you want to come down to where we have the alternative port selection. Go ahead and select on the manual option, then select a different port from over here. Any of them would work. Then go ahead and tap on continue, and then try to connect to my Wi-Fi network, and most times this might actually fix the problem. Now finally, if that option does not work out for you, you might have to reset your Xbox console. So usually to do that, you would have to go over to the system settings from over here, and then to console information, go ahead and tap on reset, and basically this is going to just reset your console and most likely fix the problem for you. If this video was helpful, please let me know in the comment section and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.